Oh boy, guess where we are? This is a Menards store here in Bluffs, Iowa. This is where the mall of the Bluffs once stood. Now we have a new Menards store.
No, we aren't. I don't know how.
Alrighty.
I don't know how we're gonna get by.
It's an Otis. Oh, what the heck is that? Into the second floor. He's over there. No. There actually used to be a Menards store here in this town, but this is a new one. Just plopped. See? There's a certificate. Got new ads. Nice. 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 I do like this elevator though. This is your new Series 2 buttons. With that weird indicator. Don't know why they went with that one. Definitely weird. This guy in time. Wait for it to close. Nice. And there goes the elevator. It's pretty nice. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.